What's on the menu today? Mexican beef and noodles. What all goes into the Mexican beef and noodles? 1 pound medium egg noodles. I have the wide egg noodles. 1.5 pounds ground beef. I have 1 pound here, so I'll use 1.5 of these. 1 12-ounce jar of salsa. This is 16 ounce, but I'll probably use the whole thing anyway because my 26-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce with mushrooms is only 24 ounces. So between the two of them, I should have enough liquid. 1 3.8-ounce can sliced black olives, drained. This is only 2.25 ounce, and that's okay. I usually don't use a whole can of olives anyway. And 1 cup, 4 ounces, shredded cheddar cheese. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is get a big pot of water boiling. Then add your medium egg noodles and cook as per package directions. And these ones say 18 to 22 minutes. So after 22 minutes, the noodles are done. I will take them off the heat, put them in a colander and drain them, rinse them, and then drain them, and then set them aside until I need to put them back into the pot. So take your 1.5 pounds of ground beef, put them in the same pot over high heat, brown it until no longer pink. So the hamburger is done. It is no longer pink. So then you want to add the 12 ounces of the salsa and the 26 ounces of spaghetti sauce with mushrooms. Then add your can of sliced black olives. Give it a good stir. Then take your noodles and dump them back into the pot. And gently stir that and let it heat for about 5 minutes. And we'll be back when it's all done. Alright, so it's all heated through. We'll put our cheese on the top. I'll go ahead and dish it up and then Dave can see what he thinks of it. So here is the Mexican beef and noodles. Rounding out the meal is Southwest salad and Texas toast.
What is this?
Mexican beef and noodles.
Okay. So that smells like a kind of like a taco something.
It's got salsa in it.
Okay. It's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.